This weighing question is another famous one with multiple alternatives. You got those 9 balls, of which 8 weigh exactly the same weight and one of them is heavier. You have a balance to compare two sides. Question is the least number of times you need to weight the balls to find the heavier ball. You can weigh several balls at once using the balance. Are you ready for the solution? If you want to find out yourself, pause right now. The correct answer is 2. You split it up into 3 sets of 3 balls. You weigh sets 1 and 2 against each other. If either one side weighs down, that set has the heavier ball. If the scale is balanced, the set 3 would have the heavier ball.
Now in any case you have a set of 3 balls and one of them is the heavier ball.
Do the same thing again, pick ball 1 and ball 2 and weigh them against each other. If one of them weighs down, that is the heavier ball. If both are balanced, ball 3 is the heavier ball. Easy, right? Once you get a hold of it,